Me, you're a typical young boy who probably fits the demographic we've been talking about. Now, how worried are you about everything that's going down?
You what?
Son, did you hear in the news today? There are crystal clear photos of Uranus. Uranus.
Knob. Knob or dick?
Hello.
That's me.
All right, son, how was your day? Oh, why is there tin foil all over your head?
Keeping out mine rays.
What?
They get into your brain.
What a load of bollocks!
I got chippies.
Give me my fucking chips!
Oh, bugger. As we leave the old millennium and start the new, our thoughts turn to the family. I think especially of my mum, my dad, and my little tot. You may have one yourself.
Yeah.
О, нет, нет, не в детдом, пап. Не надо в детдом, пожалуйста. Я шутил, пап, пожалуйста.
Don't worry, we can clear that up later. Now, can you touch your
Cock.
nose? That's it. Now your
Anus.
sing along. Then the three.
What are you doing, Dad?
I'm
Wanking.
aren't I?
Why?
Because I don't want to have a...
Knob.
I don't shave. Why don't I grow a knob?
Was you're not old enough?
How old do you have to be?
Well, it varies, about 40.
Great. When I'm 40, I'm going to have a massive sod-off knob.
It doesn't work like that.
It is a legend no one will forget. Everyone thought King Koopa had left the Mushroom Kingdom. And then his doom ship attacked.